Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Chords. I'm Jan, and today is day 2 of our Advent calendar countdown with David's Tea. Just to be clear, I bought this friggin' thing myself. I hope you got one too, and I hope we can do this together. So let's dive into day 2. Day 2. Love the turquoise. Oh, getting away on me. Can't smell anything. Although, I mean, I say you can't smell anything. Everything just smells wonderful. It's amazing. So, like day 1, it's an ornament when it's done. Cute little boxes. What do we think is in day 2? Yesterday was Candy Cane Crush, so it was a black tea. I don't think that they'll do another black tea. I think they're gonna do maybe like an herbal or a green. Let's see. Uh-oh. Cinnamon rooibos chai. Anybody that doesn't know, rooibos is actually from this red plant. It is not made actually from the tea plant, so this would be considered an herbal tea. So it is, of course, caffeine free. Let's take a smell. Ooh. Now, I'll be honest, I'm usually not a fan of rooibos, but this smells great. Very cinnamony with that chai, so, you know, the spices in behind it. Let me see if I can get you to take a closer look. Okay, let's get this in our kettle and get this going. It says that there's 1 to 2 perfect spoons here, 90-degree temperature Celsius, and 4 to 5 minutes brewing time. All right, let's get us some water in here. Can you see that? Don't spill like I did. Wow, you can see how red that's going right away, can't you? Okay, so this should make about half a pot, I think. Look at that, that's going great. All right, let's get this sucker on the tree. So cute. What do you think? Maybe here? So while this is brewing, we have a moment to talk, and I wanted to share with you the latest audiobook that I listened to and see what you guys are listening to so that I can figure out which one I should listen to next. I just finished listening to Busy Phillips. This Will Only Hurt a Little While, and it's actually narrated by Busy Phillips, which I love. I love it when the authors actually narrate it. It, you know, really gives you the feeling of a great book because it's being read how they wanted you to hear it. So I love that part of things. And she's super funny. Yeah, I don't know. I never really, I guess, followed her or anything like that before. So it wasn't as if I was, you know, a fan of Busy's. But listening to her audiobook, it was great. Yeah, she was so real and honest, and it really came through. So I, of course, now follow her on social media and yeah, she's a hoot. So I would recommend that. But what would you guys recommend to me? I am looking for my next audiobook. I enjoy listening to audiobooks. I have about 20 or 25 minute drive each way to work in the morning, and I find audiobooks or podcasts are great. And so I'd love to hear what you're listening to and what you would recommend. What do you guys think about that? This color is going great. This is amazing. Now I think this teapot is a little bit better than yesterday. Not better. The teapot from yesterday is gorgeous. I completely love it. It's actually crystal. It's wonderful. This here glass teapot, it just has a finer strainer, so we're not going to see as many particles come through, and it's a little bit of a smaller size, which is perfect for this Advent calendar, I think. So yeah. So what else have you guys been up to lately? Oh, time. Never mind, hold that thought. Tell me tomorrow. All right, let's give this a go. Cinnamon-y, cinnamon-y. It almost smells like one of those like cinnamon hearts, but very mild, I guess. With like an earthy tone underneath. Okay, let's have a go. Not my favorite. I don't think I've ever really tried this one before, so that's what's so nice about the advent calendars. I love that. Trying new things. And I know we all have different tastes, and I'm sure that this is somebody's absolute favorite. Just not mine. I think that might make a nice latte though. That would be nice as a latte. So what did you guys think about this tea? Or did you have a different tea today? Are you following along with the David's Tea Advent Calendar? Let me know. I'd love to chat with you. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, take care. Oh, wait. Hold the presses. I would probably give this a 6 out of 10. What about you? Ciao.